Good morning. Welcome to CPE 14, Programming for Data Science. This is a professional elective offered for the computer engineering degree. So before we start, let me introduce the subject, why this subject is very important, and what will you get out of this subject. This is a test broadcast. The full course will be delivered tomorrow. So I'm using OBS broadcasting software. So CPU 14, Programming for Data Science, Professional Elective 1. So by the way, I'm Engineer Renato Armaldo III. I will be the instructor for this course. So I have a degree in Information Technology way back in 2016. You can read my credentials. Okay. So why do we need to study data science first? So why? So first, why study programming for data science? So the number one reason is it's the fuel for the 21st century. So in the last century, oil was considered as the black gold. But with the Industrial Revolution and the emergence of the automotive industry particularly, oil became the main driving source of human civilization. However, with this time, its value dwindled due to the gradual exhaustion and resorting to alternative renewable sources of energy. So in the 21st century, the new driving force behind industries is data. As a matter of fact, even automobile industries are using data to impart autonomy and improve the safety of their vehicles. The idea is to create a powerful machine that thinks in the form of data. So similarly, take an example of a business intelligence company where they're required to analyze potential base customers. It requires a data scientist to utilize the data that read on the internet to track their daily trends and analyze their behavioral patterns. Okay, so another reason, there is a problem of the demand and supply. There is a lack of data literacy now in the market. So as discussed above, there is a huge abundance of data. However, there aren't enough resources to convert this data into useful products. That is, there are not enough people who possess the required skills to help companies utilize the potential that holds within. So due to this reason, there is a lack in supply of data scientists in the world today. So much of this is attributed by the infancy of data science as a field. In order to fill this vacuum of supply, you need to learn data science and its underlying fields. So data science is not a standalone field. This comprises of several fields. These subjects or fields is statistics, mathematics, computer science, and the core knowledge. So data science offers a steep learning curve and it's a very difficult field to master. However, with the right resources and direction, one can undertake the journey of mastering the data science. So next one. So data science is a very lucrative career. So according to Glassdoor, this is a US-based job site. The average salary for a data scientist is $117,345 US dollars per year. This is above their national average of $44,000. Therefore, a data scientist makes approximately 163% more than the national average salary in the United States. Since data science requires a person to be proficient and knowledgeable in several fields like statistics and mathematics, the learning curve is quite very steep. But data scientist enjoys the position of prestige in the company. So furthermore, the role of a data scientist depends on the specialization of his employer, for example. In commercial industry, it will require data scientists to analyze their sales. In a healthcare company, it will require data scientists to help them analyze genomic sequences. The salary of a data scientist depends on his role and types of work he has to perform. It also depends on the size of the company, which is based on the amount of data they utilize. Still, the pay scale of data scientists is way above other IT and management sectors. However, the salary observed by data scientists is proportional to the amount of work they have done. So the next one is data science can make the world a better place. So there are various philanthropic and social organizations that are using data to create products for social goods. So for example, data science are primarily used in healthcare. So in medicine, various healthcare industries use historical records of data to predict diseases and in help in early diagnosis. With the advent of deep learning, which will be discussed probably in elective 3, data mining algorithms such as neural networks, it is possible to detect tumors, cancers, and other defects at an early stage of diagnosis. Data science is also helping genomic industries to analyze the effect of drugs on genetic issues, analyzing genetic sequences, and developing new drugs to combat diseases. In these ways, data science is helping people in various socioeconomic and health sectors. So another reason why you study data science is data science is the career of tomorrow. Data science is the career of the future, of course. Industries are becoming data-driven and new innovations are being made every day. So in today's world, it has become a necessity to possess data literacy. We must learn how to crude data to transform it into meaningful products. We must learn the techniques and understand the requirements to analyze, draw insights from the data. Data holds an untapped potential that must be realized in order to develop useful products. With the advent of machine learning technologies, there are so many machine learning technologies now. It is now possible to predict and intelligently classify information. Big data and big data science hold the key to the future. So together, they form the big picture of artificial intelligence that is given as products of the future like self-driving cars, autonomous robots. In the classic sci-fi film in 2001, The Space Odyssey, there is an intelligent conversational platform that can take decisions without human interference. As a result, we need to dynamically keep up with technology and keep moving forward. Therefore, it is the need of the hour to learn data science and build a successful career in the future.